What if the myths and legends of ancient hybrids were more than just stories? Imagine a world where the boundaries between species blur, not only in ancient tales but in modern science. This isn't just fiction, it's becoming reality. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating history, mythological roots, and the latest advancements in DNA engineering. Could the blending of species offer solutions to some of our biggest challenges? Or will it open a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas and unforeseen consequences? Stay with us as we delve into this captivating topic that bridges the ancient and modern worlds. Future of critical and emerging technologies. The future is now, and with it comes a host of emerging technologies that promise to revolutionize our world. According to the latest White House report on critical and emerging technologies, advancements in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biotechnology are at the forefront of this revolution. Artificial intelligence is advancing rapidly, with AI systems becoming more sophisticated and capable of performing complex tasks that were once thought to be exclusively human. Quantum computing is set to revolutionize data processing, potentially solving problems that are currently unsolvable with classical computers. Biotechnology, particularly DNA engineering, is breaking new ground, offering the possibility of curing diseases, extending lifespans, and even creating new life forms. But with great power comes great responsibility. These technologies bring with them a host of ethical dilemmas and potential risks. Could AI systems surpass human intelligence and lead to unintended consequences? Might quantum computers crack the most secure encryptions, leading to a new era of cybersecurity threats? And what about biotechnology? The manipulation of human DNA, blending it with animal genes, raises profound ethical questions. Speculatively, these advancements could push ethical boundaries and challenge our fundamental understanding of what it means to be human. The potential for these technologies to exceed current ethical boundaries and lead to unforeseen consequences is both exciting and terrifying. Historical perspective on human-animal hybrids. Human fascination with hybrids of man and beast dates back thousands of years. Ancient Mesopotamia, one of the earliest cradles of civilization, offers compelling evidence of this obsession. Historical records suggest that Mesopotamians were breeding hybrid animals around 4,500 years ago. These hybrids, such as mules, were crucial for agriculture and trade, showcasing early human ingenuity and understanding of animal husbandry. But hybrids weren't just practical, they were also deeply symbolic, or maybe real, who knows? In mythology, hybrids like centaurs, sphinxes, and chimeras embodied the fears and hopes of the cultures that created them. These creatures often represented the merging of human intellect with animal strength or cunning, symbolizing a union of traits that ancient peoples revered or feared. The prevalence of hybrid creatures in myths raises intriguing questions. Were these simply products of the human imagination, or did they reflect deeper truths? Some speculate that these myths were inspired by actual attempts to crossbreed species, or even early experiments in genetic manipulation, as far-fetched as that might seem. Modern biotechnology is making what was once myth a potential reality. As we advance in DNA engineering, we might find ourselves revisiting these ancient narratives, not just as stories, but as possible precursors to our current scientific endeavors. What drove ancient civilizations to create these hybrids? Was it sheer necessity, or was there a deeper, more philosophical quest at play? Understanding these historical contexts helps us appreciate the complexity and continuity of human innovation and imagination. Representations of human-animal hybrids in history. Human-animal hybrids have been depicted in various forms across different cultures and eras, symbolizing a range of concepts from divine power to moral lessons. These representations provide a window into the minds of ancient peoples and their world views. Ancient Egypt. The Egyptians frequently depicted their gods as human-animal hybrids. Gods like Anubis, with the body of a man and the head of a jackal, and Horus, with the head of a falcon, exemplified this tradition. These deities were believed to embody specific attributes of the animals they resembled. Anubis was associated with death and the afterlife, while Horus symbolized kingship and the sky. The combination of human and animal traits was intended to convey the god's multifaceted nature and powers. Greek and Roman mythology. Greek mythology is rich with hybrid creatures, from the Minotaur, a man with the head of a bull, to centaurs, beings with the upper body of a human and the lower body of a horse. These hybrids often played roles in myths that explored themes of control, civilization versus barbarism, and the intersection of the human and animal realms. In Roman adaptations, these creatures maintained their symbolic meanings, but were also used to represent moral and ethical dilemmas. Hindu mythology. In Hinduism, deities such as Ganesha with the head of an elephant and Narasimha, half-man, half-lion, are prominent. These representations often symbolize the union of divine wisdom and strength. The animal heads on human bodies signify the deity's dominion over both the natural and supernatural worlds, embodying qualities that humans aspire to. Medieval Europe. In medieval European art and literature, hybrids like the dog-headed St. Christopher or Cynocephalus appear. The legend of St. Christopher, who is sometimes depicted with the head of a dog, is believed to originate from early Christian apocryphal texts and has been interpreted in various ways, including as a symbol of the transformative power of faith and the spread of Christianity to barbaric lands. Modern interpretations. The fascination with hybrids persists in modern culture through literature, film, and art. This enduring interest often reflects contemporary concerns about the boundaries of humanity, the ethical implications of genetic engineering, and the integration of technology with the human body. Today's scientific advancements in DNA engineering, where researchers are mixing human and animal DNA, bring a new dimension to these age-old stories. These modern hybrids raise profound ethical questions about identity, humanity, and the limits of scientific exploration. Modern DNA, engineering, and ethical considerations. Modern advancements in DNA engineering have brought us to the brink of creating human-animal hybrids, a concept once relegated to the realm of mythology and science fiction. Today, scientists are exploring the potential of combining human and animal DNA, leading to groundbreaking discoveries and raising profound ethical questions. Human-animal DNA mixing. Researchers are experimenting with chimeric organisms, combining human and animal cells to study disease, develop new treatments, and explore the potential for growing human organs in animals for transplantation. For example, scientists have successfully grown human cells in pig embryos, creating hybrid organisms that could one day provide a source of organs for transplantation. This research aims to address the critical shortage of donor organs and advance our understanding of human biology. The potential benefits of this research are vast. By creating human-animal hybrids, scientists hope to develop new medical treatments, understand genetic diseases better, and possibly even extend human lifespan. These hybrids could serve as models for studying human diseases in a more accurate biological context, leading to more effective therapies and cures. However, the creation of human-animal hybrids raises significant ethical concerns. One major issue is the moral status of these chimeric organisms. At what point does a hybrid become sufficiently human to warrant human rights and ethical considerations? The blurring of species boundaries challenges our traditional understanding of what it means to be human and forces us to confront questions about identity, dignity, and the sanctity of life. Interestingly, the ethical dilemmas we face today echo the ancient myths and legends of human-animal hybrids. The legends of hybrids like centaurs, sphinxes, and Anubis reflect humanity's enduring fascination with the blending of species and the quest for understanding the boundaries of nature. Connecting the past and present. Ancient myths often reflect humanity's deepest fears and highest aspirations. The legends of hybrid creatures symbolize the blending of human intellect with animal strength, a concept that is mirrored in today's scientific endeavors. Modern DNA engineering pushes the boundaries of what we once thought possible, challenging our ethical frameworks and societal norms. The creation of human-animal hybrids for medical research holds great promise but also raises profound ethical questions. At what point does a hybrid become sufficiently human to deserve rights and protections? How do we regulate and oversee this research to ensure it benefits humanity without crossing ethical lines? As we stand on the brink of new scientific discoveries, we must remember the lessons of the past and approach our endeavors with caution and responsibility. The blending of species, once a subject of myth, is now a scientific reality, and it is up to us to navigate this new frontier with wisdom and foresight. If you enjoyed this journey into the mysteries of human-animal hybrids and emerging technologies, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Let us know in the comments which topic you'd like us to explore next.